Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu and today I will show you how easy you can add accounts in Salesforce using the Salesforce connector that Uipath provides. So here we have the Salesforce connector, a Salesforce API that is working via REST API. So to be able to connect to Salesforce, be sure that you configure the REST API. In my case, I configure everything and I can test the connection from here. And let's see what we'll do today. So today we'll take the data from an Excel file. Here is the Excel file where we have all the data for accounts. We have two accounts here, yeah? With all the data. So we want to add the accounts on Salesforce. So you see we have Test Corporation, Incorporation, Test 2. We can go on the instance of Salesforce and we will see that we don't have this account, yeah? So we have a lot of accounts, nothing with Test Corporation. Let's go and see what we have on the code. So with Excel, we just indicate the Excel and read the range. Then we have the connection to Salesforce, configure and test it. We do a for each on the Excel, and here we have the function add account. So from other account, you just drag and drop the add account function. Here I configure some parameters. So take a look on what I will add. So we'll add the name, the billing country, and so on. And here you have all the rows with the names from the Excel. That's all. And then we will write line the account ID. Okay, so let's run. This is everything. Everything will run on the background. I'll run it in this time. I can start YouTube and so on if I want. There is no problem. But it's very fast. You already finished. Here we have the account IDs. And to verify this one, let's go on Salesforce. And let's go to accounts. And you see we have two accounts. It's Test Corporation with all the details. You see that it was a Japanese company. Yeah, and then you have the other company, which is Corporation Test 2. Again, owned by Cristian Negulescu. In with all the details. So you see in a very, very simple way in a background, you can add accounts in Salesforce very fast. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.